How to find Facebook draft. So if you want to find Facebook drafts, then first you can open up your Facebook application, and after logging in, now you can simply go for what's on your mind, which is on the upper side, and simply choose or write anything that you would like. And after writing, now you can simply go back, and it says that if you want to save this as a draft or if you want to discard the post. So simply tap on save as draft, and it says that you will receive a notification with your draft. So if you want to open up your draft, then we don't have a particular option to simply go and just tap on the draft and you will have all of your draft. But there is a way, like if you simply saved this message as a draft, then after 2 or 3 minutes you will receive a notification by saying that if you want to really edit your draft, and you have to simply tap on that notification which you will receive here, and after tapping on that notification, it will lead you to your Facebook draft. So that's the only way. And here you can see that it says your draft has been saved, so tap to make changes. So tap on that notification, and here you will have all of your saved drafts. So that's the only way to go to your Facebook draft. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.